Dude, I already knew all this. Fuck you. Okay. I have the mold. Who's fighting? I still need to beat the fuck out of somebody. Hold on, who's on my list? So I need a cookie for Ace, a cookie for Puggles. Officer Trevor needs to get beat up. Hand cream for Duggery. Get Nightbots, hand cream for Max. Okay, well, let's beat up Ace. Wait, Ace has like no weapon. Dude, oh, unlucky timing. I forgot, outside is dumb.
How do you suck this bad on easy mode?
For that, I'm gonna kill you first. Okay. Hand cream, cookie, cookie. Hand cream, cookie, cookie. Hand cream, cookie. Hand cream. Dirt. I don't know why I'm grabbing dirt.
Quick question. Do you ever draw anything but yaoi? I'm big fan of your art, but as a straight fighting fan I just get confused with all of the yaoi. I'm gonna be fully honest, I don't know if I'm using the word yaoi right. My friend just told me it means gay people, or something. Thank you in advance.
No worries, dude. Happy to support a cause. Hand cream. Chat, press 1 if you cream in your hand. Wait, don't. Never mind. Now I need cookies.
Don't buy the Renegade skin if you respect our Fortnite players. It's more than a skin.
Must be a new guy. Danny's weapon is a pillow. Lore accurate. Cookie! And a baseball bat. Holy fuck. Cookie for Puggles and a cookie for Ace. A Duggery, Ace, Puggles.
Hey guys, did you of male human and female pal breeding? Lavender is the most compatible pal for humans. Not only are they in the mammal group, which is mostly comprised of compatible pals, Lavender are able to take 4 jobs. This means they are well versatile and can accommodate any fantasy you wish, and with their impressive base stats for HP and access to the move Acid Rain, you can be rough with one.
Danny's always selling something. Oh my god. Is that pegging? Bro, I keep forgetting who I need to give this shit to. I need a cookie for Ace or Duggery. Also, I need to beat up Nightbot. Guys, look. I'm just gonna lay in bed. Like one of the easier stars too. All I had to do. I would say speedrunning peaked at like 2016, maybe 2018. Honestly, funny enough, speedrunning was more popular before Twitch was like mainstream. I feel like now that Twitch is more normie, that's true. I remember when GDQ, you used to be like somebody, mine alcoholic or something. Why? My hair?